Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what is up? How you doing? If you're returning, hello guys. How has it been? So today I am trying to do something with this. If you have not already, you should definitely go watch my wig review video on this when I first, well, unboxing video, whatever. You should definitely go watch that. Right now I'm about to try to shape it, but I wanted to do it on the camera. I've never like did anything to a wig. It is a cheap wig, so like, you know, I'm not gonna be too mad if I mess it up. So I was like, why not? I think I am just going to make it shorter just because I feel like it's too much. I don't think it's a bad wig. I just think that it's too much. I have a big face. Like, I have a big face, big hair. To me, just looks like you're doing the most, sis. That's what it looks like to me. But this is the wig now. It's very nappy. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to cut it while it's on my head. I don't know if is that a mistake, guys? Is that a mistake? I don't care. I think I'm trying to do like a little mushroom like look, but I just feel like it won't look so bad if it has some kind of like, I don't know, like if it don't look like so much. I think with it just being shorter, I'll like it more, because right now, see, like to me this looks cuter already. It's giving me like, I don't know, vibes, but
we drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seen, I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried in the sorrow of us, in the sorrow of us.
I don't know, guys, did I mess it up? So honestly, I like it. Not this part. I got a mushroom head now. You know how you like something and then you keep looking at it and you're like, this ain't it. That's kind of like what was happening in this situation. But oh well, maybe need some hoops. I feel like maybe it'll be cute with some hoop earrings. And see, you can't even really see the hoop earrings. I only have like thin ones, and if I had like a darker background, I guess, I feel like you'll be able to see it more. So this is what it is looking like. It looks kind of like mushroomish, but I still think it's cute. Like, I don't know, y'all comment down below and let me know what you guys are thinking. The bang is really fuzzy. I have to figure out what I want to do with it. If I want to cut it down, like what. I'm gonna still play with it a little bit, but I think it's like cute, fun. Like, I would definitely just throw this on when I don't really feel like messing with my regular hair, my natural hair. Like right now it's moisturized and just chilling, you know. Like, I like it. I feel like I could do a whole photo shoot with this hair. It's giving me like scissor vibes, but like way shorter, obviously. But you know, that whole curly bang jump off, and because I have a big face, like, I don't know, I'm just really kind of feeling it. This video is short. Like, I wanted to do this on camera just because, you know, I like experimenting with y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, if you like looking for like a little cheap curly wig, I still recommend this one. I still think it's cute. You be cute and you start feeling like a bird. Nah, but that's it, y'all. Like, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that, please. Thank you very much. My camera's about to die, so I'm ending this video on a great note. If you have not liked this video, please do that as well. Give it a good old thumbs up, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Deuces.